Hey Jim, how are you?
I'm good, John. You?
Doing fine. Nice day today, right?
Yes, it's sunny and warm.
Did you hear the news?
What news are you talking about?
New smartwatch just came out today.
Oh, really? I didn't know.
It's all over the internet.
What does the watch do?
It tracks steps and heart rate.
Sounds cool. Can it call?
Yes. You can call friends too.
That's awesome. Does it text?
Yes, you can send messages.
Wow, that's really smart technology.
I want to buy one.
How much does it cost?
It's about $300 now.
That's a little bit expensive.
I know, but it's cool.
I might wait for sales.
Yeah, maybe next month prices drop.
Do you have a watch?
Just a simple digital one.
I have one from school.
Does it still work okay?
Yes, but screen is scratched now.
You should upgrade to smartwatch.
I'll think about it, John.
You like tech stuff, right?
Yes, I love new gadgets.
This watch connects to your phone.
Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection needed.
I think both work fine.
Can it play music too?
Yes. You can listen anytime.
I like music when jogging.
This watch is perfect then.
What colors are available now?
Black, silver, gold, and green.
I like green. It's unique.
I want the silver one.
It matches your phone, right?
Yes. I love matching devices.
Where can we buy it?
Online or big tech stores nearby.
Let's go see one today.
Good idea. Let's visit Mall Tech.
Do they have good prices?
Sometimes they give student discounts.
We should ask about that.
Do you want to walk?
No, let's take the bus.
Okay. It comes in 10 minutes.
Let's wait at the stop.
I'll check the map now.
Is the mall far away?
Just 15 minutes by bus.
Perfect. I brought my wallet.
I brought mine too. Exciting.
Do you think we'll buy?
Depends on the price, honestly.
Also on how it feels.
Yes, it must feel comfortable.
I hate heavy wrist things.
This one looks really light.
Can I try yours later?
I don't have it yet.
Right. I got too excited.
The bus is here now.
Let's get in. Found seats.
I'll sit beside you here.
Did you bring your headphones too?
No, just want to talk.
That's nice. I enjoy chats.
What else can the watch do?
Maybe check weather and calendar too?
Oh yes, it does that.
Does it show phone notifications?
Yes, messages pop up quickly.
That's helpful for work meetings.
Or when phone's in bag.
I hate missing important calls.
This watch makes life easier.
I think I really want it.
Same here. Let's hope affordable.
The mall is next stop.
Let's stand and get ready.
We should walk fast inside.
Tech section is on 3rd floor.
Let's take the escalator there.
Look. I see the watches.
So many styles and colors.
Let's ask the staff questions.
Hello. Can we see smartwatches?
We want to try them.
Sure. This one is popular.
May I try this one?
Yes, here you go, sir.
It feels nice and light.
Try this other model too.
This one looks more stylish.
How long does battery last?
About 2 days with full use.
Can I swim with it?
Yes, it's water resistant too.
That's great for summertime.
Or rainy days outside school.
Does it work with Android?
Yes, works with Android and iPhone.
That's good. I use Android.
I use iPhone. Still fine.
I like this green one.
I'll get the silver type.
Are there any discounts today?
Yes, students get 10% off.
Awesome. We're both students now.
Let's show our ID cards.
That's perfect. I'll apply discount.
I'm ready to buy mine.
Me too. I'm so happy.
This will help with fitness.
And help with my time too.
I always forget class times.
Now your wrist can remind you.
That's true. So smart, right?
Smartwatch is better than phone sometimes.
Especially during busy work days.
Or while biking to class.
Are you wearing it now?
Yes. It feels very cool.
Mine looks good with this shirt.
Your silver choice was perfect.
We should test calling feature.
Okay, call me right now.
I see your name here.
I hear the ring now.
Hello, Jim. Can you hear?
Yes. Very clear, no problem.
This is really fun, Jim.
Technology is amazing these days.
Let's explore other features tonight.
Maybe try the workout mode?
Good idea. Let's walk together.
10,000 steps challenge starts now.
My watch is counting every step.
Mine too. We're getting healthier.
It even shows burned calories.
That's great. I need that.
Do you sleep well usually?
Not really. Why ask that?
Watch has sleep tracker built in.
Wow, that's super useful too.
I'll wear it every night.
Let's compare sleep scores tomorrow.
Yes, let's make it a game.
Everything's more fun with friends.
I'm glad we came shopping today.
Me too. Great friend adventure.
We should do this more often.
Maybe next time new headphones?
Yes. Or cool phone cases.
I want to personalize everything.
My watch face has dinosaurs.
Mine shows the stars moving.
We can even set alarms.
I'll wake up on time now.
No more late mornings again.
Thanks for inviting me today.
I enjoyed every moment, Jim.
Let's take a smartwatch selfie.
Great idea. Say cheese, Jim.
Cheese. Look at those happy faces.
I'll send this photo later.
Post it on our group.
They'll want smartwatches too now.
We started a new trend.
Always ahead in cool stuff.
Do we have homework tonight?
Oh no. We forgot that.
Let's do it after dinner.
Good plan. We still have time.
I'll set a reminder now.
Smartwatch saves us again, haha.
It's our new little helper.
Let's get snacks before heading home.
Popcorn and soda sound great.
This day was so perfect.
Smartwatch Day, I'll always remember.
We learned and had fun too.
Tech and friendship make life better.
Let's meet same time next week.
Yes. More fun and exploring.
Okay, Jim, I'll see you soon.
Bye, John. Enjoy your new watch.
You too, Jim. Take care.
Walk safe and don't get lost.
My smartwatch will guide me home.
Smart and stylish. Bye for now.